5 poems. So let's discuss the poetic device or figure of speech of the last poem, that is Aunt Jennifer's Tiger. Adrian Rich द्वारा दिया गया very easy chapter है because regarding the patriarchal society or male dominated society that is prevailing in not only in India, throughout the world. So this poet, she is from USA, so we can very much understand that the system of male chauvinism or patriarchal society prevails even in USA too. In this chapter, the Aunt Jennifer, she is facing a lot of problems due to male chauvinism, male dominated society. It is in one way or the other prevailing in our society too. So, but she is not able to. She wants to be like equal to men. She wants to live unafraid of men. She doesn't want to care the man or doesn't want to be in any sort of problems faced by the man or men, whatever be. But as she is in a male-dominated society, she is not able to be so. So she is expressing her feelings through her art, that is doing an embroidery work of a tiger, which is very ferocious and very dangerous, unafraid of any person. So there are many symbols used in this Aunt Jennifer's tiger. Sorry, symbols of uncle. एक uncle एक symbol का use किया है, aunt एक symbol है, tigers एक symbol जैसा use किया गया है, wedding band, इसमें एक चीज use किया है, wedding band to show the problems, the heaviness of a married life. फिर Aunt Jennifer's hands, ये भी एक symbol है जो use किया इसमें, symbols use किया गया. Transferred epithet मैंने बोला उस दिन भी the adjective used to denote a particular thing or person. Here terrified है, hands को terrified बता रखा है, so that is transferred epithet है इसमें. Pun, पैराग्राफ कौन सा पैराग्राफ में है? Aunt Jennifer's, I'll read the poem. Aunt Jennifer's tigers prance across the screen, bright topaz denizen of a world of green. They do not fear the men beneath the tree. They pace in sleek chivalric certainty. Aunt Jennifer's fingers fluttering through a wool find even the ivory needle hard to pull. The massive weight of Uncle's wedding band sits heavily upon Aunt Jennifer's hands. When auntie is terrified and will be still ringed. Ring मतलब दो है, एक तो ring जो हम पहनते हैं और दूसरा मतलब the problem she is facing. तो दो ring का दो meaning है, literal meaning मतलब literal meaning है the ring she is wearing, but for my figurative meaning है the problem she is facing. तो इधर fun है, fun. बहुत सारे जगह पे हमने अभी alliteration देखा है, chivalric certainty. Then prancing proud last and prancing proud, इसमें भी alliteration है. Fingers fluttering, FF repeated है, so उधर भी क्या है alliteration. और alliteration है क्या? इतना ही है alliteration. Irony है, that is weak and oppressed, मतलब Aunt Jennifer weak and oppressed है and she makes ferocious tiger का पैनल weave कर रहा है. weave मतलब weak and oppressed women weaving a tiger that is strong and fearless. इसमें irony है, ठीक है. क्या है? weak and oppressed lady weaving a ferocious tiger, में irony है. Then irony है, we can see, देखो एक beast मतलब brutal tigers are depicted as elegant. एक elegant या chivalric depict किया गया tigers को, and civilized human beings को क्या है ऑप्रेसर के रूप में। तो सिविलाइज्ड मैन को ऑप्रेसर के रूप में कैरेक्टराइज किया गया है, और बीस्ट, एक वाइल्ड बीस्ट टाइगर को एलिगेंट डिपिक्ट किया गया। तो उसमें भी आयरनी है, ठीक है। नॉर्मली ह्यूमन बीइंग्स एलिगेंट होना चाहिए, बट इधर ब्रूटल टाइगर्स आर डिपिक्टेड एज एलिगेंट एंड कल्चर्ड मैन एज ऑप्रेसर। ऑप्रेसर मतलब जो दूसरों को पीड़ा देता है। तो इधर व्यंग्य है। और दूसरा व्यंग्य है कि लास्ट पैराग्राफ में पॉइंट बता रहा है कि इवन द क्रिएटर डाइज, टाइगर को बनाने वाला क्रिएटर ऑन जेनिफर का डेथ हो जाते हैं, के बाद भी वर्क विल कंटिन्यू, डेथ के बाद भी वर्क कंटिन्यू होता है। इधर भी व्यंग्य है। All in all, in the poem, in generally we can see contrast because two characters, contrasting characters are here. That is Aunt Jennifer and her tiger. Aunt Jennifer is characterized to be a very weak person, and the tiger she is making is very ferocious. So it's a contrasting हो रहा है। Imagery, कुछ imagery, imagination का कुछ चीजें इसमें लाया गया है। That is bright topaz, इसका इमेजिनेशन आता है स्टोन का। मैन बीनीथ, मैन का इमेजिनरी आ रहा है। वेडिंग बैंड, सिट हेविली, सिट करना, ये सब का इमेजिनेशन हमारे माइंड में आ जाती है, ये सब इमेजरी है। पर्सोनिफिकेशन कैन सी टाइगर को ह्यूमन कैरेक्टर्स जैसे प्राउड, कॉन्फिडेंस, अनअफ्रेड वगैरह बता रखा है। टाइगर को प्राउड बता रखा है, तो personification है इधर। So these are the general literary devices used in the poem. The poet's name is Adrian Rich. So remember, there are many questions you can expect from this poem. So now, कुछ important questions regarding composition let me give you. I need it in the composition copy. Just take it down. You are Ravi या Remya of B264 KT Road Mumbai, full stop. You have just made a new house. And you decided to have a housewarming ceremony. And you decide to have a housewarming ceremony, and would like to invite your cousin Akshay. Write an invitation in not more than 50 words, giving all necessary details. तो 50 वर्ड्स में अपने कसिन अक्षय को इनवाइट करते हुए, अपने हाउस वार्मिंग के लिए इनवाइट करते हुए एक इनविटेशन ड्राफ्ट करना है। सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज, यू आर अनुज अमीमा you saw an advertisement of sports teacher needed in a reputed school. Write a letter in about 120 words applying for the job. Write a letter in 150 words applying about the job. These are the two composition works I would like to give you. कुछ important questions that is so prevailing nowadays. Let me see. Just try to write this on your own words. What does Pablo Neruda mean by an exotic movement? What does Pablo Neruda mean by an exotic movement without rush in his poem? उसके पोएम में एक्सोटिक मूवमेंट का वो क्या मतलब है? सेकंड क्वेश्चन, so I just explained to you few literary devices, so try to understand that in regarding chapters का भी literary devices पूछ रहा है। Explain the metaphor of the rat trap in context of the story by Selma Lagerlöf. Lagerlof. Explain the metaphor of the rat trap in context of the story rat trap. Third question is a very common question I used to see. Kamala Das speaks of an old familiar ache. Kamala Das speaks of an old familiar ache. What do you think is the reason for this feeling? What do you think is the reason for this feeling of the poet? Fourth question. All these question answers should be in 30 to 40 words. Don't write the whole summary of the chapter. Okay. Comment on the significance of the villagers. Comment on the significance of the villagers sitting at the back in Hamel's classroom. Sitting at the back in Hamel's classroom. Comment on the significance of the villagers sitting at the back in Mr. Hamel's classroom. Next question. Little has moved with time, it seems, in Firozabad. Little has moved with time, it seems, in Firozabad. Why does the author say so? Give one example. Give one reason for this statement. Give one reason for this statement. Next question. How does the poet use the image of fingers fluttering through the wool? How does the poet use the image of fingers fluttering through the wool to highlight Aunt Jennifer's How does the poet use the image of fingers fluttering through the wool to highlight Aunt Jennifer's victimization? Victimization मतलब कैसे वो victim बना है, उनका problem face किया, उसको दिखाने के लिए poet ने fingers fluttering through the wool क्यों use किया गया? Next, you have to write in 30 to 40 words में ही. Next question. In his letter to Charlie, Sam writes, "Then I got to believe you were right. Then I got to believing you were right." In his letter to Charlie, Sam writes, "Then I got to believe you were right." The question is, what could have made Sam begin to believe? What could have made Sam begin to believe? What could have made Sam begin to believe? Next question. Sadav's acceptance of General's plans. Sadav's acceptance of General's plans to assassinate Tom. Was counterproductive. To having put him on path of recovery. Then repeat it. Sadav's acceptance of this General's plan to assassinate Tom was counterproductive to having put him on the path of recovery. एक साइड में उन्होंने इस पेशेंट को रिकवर करने के लिए लिया, दूसरी तरफ उसको असैसिन करने के लिए लिया. सब्सटेंशिएट विथ रीजन, इसको सब्सटेंशिएट करना है. काउंटर प्रोडक्टिव मतलब इट इज जस्ट ऑपोजिट. उन्होंने इसको रिकवर करवाने की कोशिश किया, साथ साथ उसको असैसिन करने के लिए भी कोशिश किया. So these are the questions I would like you to attempt. I'll be giving you more questions in the coming days. So write these questions in your copy. Try to do it yourself. Still, if you are using any source to write, तो बोर्ड में भी ऐसे ट्राई करना, कोई बुक लेके जाकर लिख लेना. ठीक है? So be serious. Once again, try to do this in your copy and send to me later by tomorrow itself. Thank you. Have a nice day.